everyone, I'm back from Indiana. Right now I'm at a bowling alley and me, Avery, and Willis are bowling. We have some like funky thing on the screen. But yeah, it's really fun. I got a strike as my first one. We are currently doing a group bowl. We're all under Avery's name. And we're trying to get over 100 as our goal. Let's see how it looks. Nice! Willis is carrying the team and Avery. They both got spares.
Okay, let's see it. Okay, let's see it, Marie. Tell them. Wait.
8. And then I gotta.
Oh no.
Pretty bad at those. Willis is so good at those. This is the silly round. Avery's going next. Turbo. Now try a huge ball. Yes, the super heavy one. Hurry, hurry. Nice.
It almost took me down with it. It's like nothing.
This is my blue Powerade slushie with nerds. Obviously. We're at Pickles Ice Cream in
Reunited
in Breckinridge. We just had
tacos,
tacos,
baby.
and our waiter was really cute.
He was my crush from summer camp, and his name is my positive for everything. And now I feel like an obsessed stalker. And Marie kept trying to get me to talk to him, and I didn't care. I didn't talk to him.
Yeah, but we told the other waiter, so he will definitely tell him. Yeah. So. Anna, explain what happened.
Can you do it in like 2 minutes?
No.
So
We have to get the
your
energy.
bag's gonna go along.
Let me see it. Oh, that's cute, huh? Where are we at?
We are in Madrid.
Yeah, we're in Madrid. Just landed. We skipped nighttime. So it's 8 a.m. here. But 1 a.m. and
We didn't skip it. Well, I guess not.
we literally flew past it. We rented a large van. It's an adventure. It feels like a Disney ride. Right here. Hey. Can you tell me something? We're in Toledo.
This is a sangria, and these are my nails.
And I am sad because this is the grande beer. No grande. Un taquito.
You're at the wrong place now. Dad has learned a lot of Spanish.
Chico.
A little too much.
That is hilarious. What's up? How's your day been?
It's been great. Took a little nap. Saw a wedding. Beautiful wedding right outside our window.
We took a nap together.
So vlog.
And
The waiter came by and he's like, my English isn't very good. I'm like, that's okay because mom speaks Spanish. And dad goes like, I would like to have with the gentleman over there.
It reminded me of like my name is Dr. Rick Marshall.
I know. The
Gentleman.
over there in the
I was speaking loud and slow.
Camisole.
That's what you're supposed to do.
we'll get it on the way back. Dang, I guess now we left ours for dinner, huh?
Yeah. It's 10 and everyone's eating.
So we go during the early bird special.
Are we at Mommy? Very pretty. Oh, here's the bridge. Anna. Anna. What's up?
For the Renaissance Festival. I don't know why.
All the curry stuff. We're at the Renaissance Festival. Please. Yes. Mama! Tikka masala, curry rojo. So beautiful. What is this to me?
This is the walls
The
of
turkey legs
Toledo.
at the Renaissance Market.
We got arrested for
Okay,
drinking weed.
to me. I'm gonna post this and tag Boston College in it.
I lied. We didn't get arrested. You can't get arrested in Spain. They don't have a stable government.
Okay.
Police are no longer allowed to make these kind of jokes. You can make over a joke.
We can bring some of the sprinkles back to our neighbor.
These
You want some?
bulbs.